Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Thank you.
Thank you.
How are you?
How are you?
I am sorry.
I'm sorry.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
I don't know.
I don't know.
You are welcome.
You're welcome.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
I am fine, thank you.
I'm fine, thank you.
See you later.
See you later.
How old are you?
How old are you?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
I am from Canada.
I am from Canada.
What is this?
What is this?
That's funny.
That's funny.
Stop it.
Stop it.
Let me help you.
Let me help you.
I am happy.
I am happy.
I am tired.
I am tired.
I am angry.
I am angry.
Wait for me.
Wait for me.
I am scared.
I am scared.
What's wrong?
What's wrong?
It's time to go.
It's time to go.
Let's play.
Let's play.
I am sad.
I'm sad.
Hurry up.
Hurry up.
I love you.
I love you.
I miss you.
I miss you.
Take a bath.
Take a bath.
Let's eat.
Let's eat.
I like it.
I like it.
I am thirsty.
I'm thirsty.
It's cold.
It's cold.
Wash your hands.
Wash your hands.
I am hungry.
I'm hungry.
It's okay.
It's okay.
It's raining.
It's raining.
It's sunny.
It's sunny.
Let's stay inside.
Let's stay inside.
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
I am busy.
I'm busy.
I believe in you.
I believe in you.
Never give up.
Never give up.
I am proud of you.
I'm proud of you.
I am watching TV.
I'm watching TV.
I don't understand.
I don't understand.
Let's sing a song.
Let's sing a song.
Let's clean up.
Let's clean up.
Keep going.
Keep going.
I am studying.
I'm studying.
Don't touch it.
Don't touch it. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to our channel.